everyone. Welcome back to Be Fluent in English with Luna and Leo.
Hi, friends. Hello to all our friends around the world. Maybe you are studying at home. Maybe you are practicing English or just relaxing.
Wherever you are, we are happy you are here with us today. So, Leo, what do you have with you today?
I have my notebook, and I have my favorite pen.
Nice. I have my tea, and I have my lesson notes.
We both have something for learning.
Yes, and today we talk about have and its friends. Today we explore 3 small but important words.
Yes, has, have, and had.
Many learners ask, when do I use has? When have? When had?
They look similar but work differently.
Don't worry, today we make it crystal clear.
One simple rule with real examples.
If this topic confuses you, you're not alone.
Many learners find this challenging.
But by the end, you'll feel confident.
Please like this video if you find it helpful.
Share with friends and subscribe for more.
All right, let's understand has, have, and had.
Before examples, let's understand the core idea.
Has, have, and had are all about possession and time.
Possession means owning or having something.
And time means when this happens.
So simply, the choice depends on 2 things.
First, who has something?
Second, when do they have it?
Who and when?
That's the complete rule. Let me say it clearly.
Ask who, the person, and when, the time.
Your answer gives you has, have, or had.
Who plus when equals your word choice.
No complicated grammar needed. Let's start with have in the present.
Have is for present time with certain people.
Who uses have in the present?
I, you, we, and they.
Examples with I have.
I have a book.
I have 2 sisters.
I have an idea.
All present, all with I. Examples with you have.
You have beautiful eyes.
Do you have a pen?
You have a kind smile.
Present time, talking to someone. Examples with we have and they have.
We have a meeting today.
They have a new car.
We have time to practice.
All present, all with multiple people. So remember, for present time,
With I, you, we, and they, use have.
simple present possession.
I have, you have, we have, they have.
Now let's meet has. Now has in the present.
Has is for present time, but with different people.
Who uses has in the present?
He, she, and it.
Examples with he has.
He has a bicycle.
He has blue eyes.
He has an important job.
Present, he has. Examples with she has.
She has long hair.
She has a kind heart.
She has 3 cats.
Present, she has. Examples with it has.
The house has a garden.
The phone has a camera.
The book has many pages.
Present, it, thing or animal, has. So remember, for present time,
With he, she, it, use has.
one person, one thing, present possession.
He has, she has, it has.
Now, the beautiful simplicity of had.
Had is for past time.
And the beautiful part, had is for everyone.
Examples with had.
I had breakfast earlier.
She had a meeting yesterday.
We had a great time last week.
The cat had milk this morning.
More examples.
They had a party on Saturday.
He had a headache yesterday.
You had a question about this.
All past, all had. So remember, for past time,
Everyone uses had.
I had, you had, he had, she had.
It had, we had, they had.
Past possession, one word for all. Now let's hear all three in conversation.
Friends talking about their days.
I have a new project at work.
Really? My sister has a new job too.
We had a team meeting yesterday.
Did it go well?
Yes, we had good discussions.
I have to go now. I have a class.
Okay, I had a nice talk with you. See? Natural flow.
Have for present, I, we. Has for present, sister. Had for past, yesterday, the talk. All in one conversation.
Let's make this super clear now.
When choosing has, have, or had,
Ask two questions.
ask who are we talking about and when is this happening.
Memory trick, think H3.
H for have, I, you, we, they, present.
H for has, he, she, it, present.
H for had, everyone, past.
3 H's for 3 situations.
Or remember present many have, present one has, past all had.
Simple patterns. Now your turn to practice.
First, complete this. She blank a beautiful voice, present.
Second, complete this. We blank lunch together yesterday, past.
Write your answers in the comments below.
We read every comment and help with corrections.
Don't worry about mistakes. They're learning steps.
Please like this video if it clarified has, have, and had.
Share with friends who also struggle with this topic.
And subscribe for more clear grammar lessons.
Remember, English grammar can be simple.
When you understand the pattern. Both, keep practicing. We'll see you next time.